Alright guys, so in today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to use the triangle angle sum theorem to solve for missing angles in a triangle. And so the triangle angle sum theorem says that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle must equal 180 degrees. And that's always true for every triangle. So remember, the angles are the measures inside of the triangle. It's what I would use a protractor to measure. So in question number 1, it tells us that one of the angles is 65 degrees, the other is 57 degrees, and I'm looking for the missing angle. So what I can do is add the two known angles together, 65 plus 57. When I add those two together, I get 122. Then because it's a triangle and the interior angles of a triangle always have to equal 180, I can do 180 minus 122. And when I subtract, I have my final answer, which is 58 degrees. Question number 2, same concept. I'm looking for the missing angle. This time, it tells us that one angle is 40 degrees, and then it has a box in this corner. Well, we know that that indicates that the angle is 90 degrees. So let's add 90 and 40 together. When I add those two together, I get 130. Then, again, the angles are always going to equal 180 degrees inside of a triangle. So 180 minus 130 lets me know that my missing angle is 50 degrees. Now I want you to pause the video and try question number 3. So in question number 3, it tells me that one angle is 20 degrees, the other is 130 degrees. So let's add them together. 20 plus 130 gives me 150. 180 minus 150, I get 30 degrees. Now let's try example 4. Again, pause the video, try it on your own, and then play the video to check your work. 50 plus 85 combines to give me 135. Then, because the interior angles will always equal 180 when I add them together, if I do 180 minus 135, that will let me know that my remaining angle is 45 degrees. Alright, so we've done the first part of the lesson, and before we continue on doing examples 5, 6, 7, and 8, I want you to try to do the practice assignment. And so your practice assignment looks like this. I want you to just do just this side, the side that looks like the snake. Go ahead and try to solve for those missing angles. When you finish, go ahead and watch the second video.